Any plan for the new year? Haven't? Well, trust me, everybody dream to be someone achieve in the new goals next year. What did you dream?
Some people wish to lose 5 to 10 pounds for their new year. Some people wish to buy a big house. Some people wish to buy new cars. Okay, guys, my new wish is that I can learn to build up online business. Likely is more of YouTube community, YouTube channel. That's why I am here to share and motivate what I learn, what I know of. I come across that if you want to be successful, I learn that each year you must add new knowledge every single year. Whether you add some new strategy in your life to improve by learning a new skill set, or you try to create a new habit to develop in that area. My new habit I'm developing is to create a balance in life surrounds me, but continue to develop new skill. My new skill is to sharing with friends and family to start up as a small business online or a retail. But this purpose in this video, we are talking about to start up as a small business, which is it's your choice whether you choose as a small business owner, like online product selling or services, or a retail. So whatever service, whatever business you try to provide, it still started from small. Okay, now, my beloved, whatever business you wish for the new year, you must study, and looking for new skills. Whether that business you plan for, you still have to develop new skill each year in order for you to continue success. Because success doesn't mean you settle with one income and stop. Okay, if you believe that one income is already get you to the level that you comfortable with, there's nothing wrong with that. But this video, I am sharing with everyone have big ambitions to grow and to continue grow. You know what? Doesn't stop there, because the more that you grow, not that you're able to share your knowledge, you share all the needy out there throughout the world. You become more generous because the more you have, the more you can give, the more you can share. You share with your love, you share with the generous. What if you have very little and you can't even share a $10 or $5 or even $1 to the baker on the street? You know what? It's very sad. We live in the richest country in the world, but this day I have seen a lot of baker on the street. It's more percentage people around the world are become homeless. Of course, we do know that economy getting really bad, but also on top of that, our system have encouraging people not want to get much to do more, because the government have been catered to the people who don't want to work. You know what? To become a better person, also becomes a successful financial and able to share not just love, not just kindness, but share knowledge around the world. In order for us to share, you have to have ability to share. You have to have an asset come along with it to support. If you want to create a charity, or you want to start up some business to help an orphanage or a widow or elderly who can't do much, those type of dream. Have you ever dreamed to be someone who can be help to someone in those categories that I just mentioned? If you do so, continue to have that ambition. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? You don't chase up to the riches for the wrong reason. But if you do work hard, you have the ambitious that want to help other, and that is your purpose, and you know exactly your why, that is the right reason that you chase after. So I'm only here to share and encourage for someone who have the right ambitious, not want to be selfishness and continue to seek more, but to keep it for yourself and not to share. All right, I have seen the story, many family out there that they like to settle where they at, but be careful, beloved. You may not know the people who work hard, have big ambitions and want to share, and judge them that they want chase after the money for the wrong reason. I don't want to be racial, okay? Some people just want to be settled for where they at. They want to be comfortable. They don't want to continue have that kind of ambitions for seeking more, because they believe that their value is very different. And nothing wrong with that family. But what I'm trying to say is 9 to 5, blue collar, you know who I'm talking about. Could be your family, could be your friend, could be your neighbor. They settle with that. There's nothing wrong with that. And we are different people, different desire, different ambitions. Their ambitions could be set up for where they are. Or they might not understand to leave legacy for their generation because they're born with that kind of environment from 9 to 5. They just want to have enough for their family and for themselves. Their hope for is to have enjoyed life. And that's it. I am not the value for the worker who work from 9 to 5 entire their life. There is some 9 to 5 worker are successful, can become a millionaire, and they can retire easy life. But those type of environment, those type of job is almost gone in this day. We living in the hustle culture that you almost have to running for multiple income in order to survive. But some people run smart, not work hard. They can do 20 or 30 million things and they can leverage that. That's called teamwork, leveraging. But we'll not go there yet. This is the purpose I'm sharing with you today, is how to start small business.
Before we talk about that strategy to create your own business, do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, and share. There is a pros and cons about create your own business. But perhaps if you stay 9 to 5 job, also there's pros and cons. Don't lie to yourself. If your mind thinking that you're not happy with your current job, you probably want to quit that job, right? But you probably can't afford to quit the job. And that is the reason you can start your own business without quitting your job.
If you're thinking about start small business, you must write down your strategy, your dream, your plan. Draw out from 1 to 20. Okay, that's the key, number 1. Number 2, narrow down from 1 to 3 business that you think is the top level that you're going to start off. Number 3, you start with one first. Number 4, you must seek for a professional mentor to guide you. Number 5, you must prepare to fail. Why? I say you must prepare to fail. That's just mentality to prepare. Any business you start up with, you have to prepare for an exit strategy. Now, number 6, you must have an idea to raise your capital, whether you ask for investors to join your business or seeking for partner. Number 7, you must build up team, which is you must have lawyer part of your team. You must have a good professional accountant to help you prepare taxes, and you must have a good bookkeeping person, or your accounting can do your bookkeeping as well. Number 8, and you must have a marketing team to help you, whether you provide a service business or a retail product with facility or a product online. Number 9, you must register corporate, whether you start up with an LLC, S Corp, or a C Corp. Now, number 10, you must get ready to continue study strategy, your business. And number 11, keep study. Number 12, you must review your business every year. And final, you must decide after 3 years whether your business run off the ground or run to the ground. Now, that is your exit strategy that you decide, and you already have your mind preparation is to fail or succeed. Of course, if you're new in the business, you never have a business before, I just want to encouraging all of you, if you prepare your mind to be failed, then you can succeed because you're not afraid to fail and you're not afraid to try out. And that is the big courage, and you must continue to embrace yourself. At least you give yourself a credit that you try hard for 3 years. You're not just playing around, you did try your best. And I congratulate you if you get into that level. And I'm sure if you pass at the 3rd year, you must continue keep going. It's hard to give up. And trust me, the business, if you already been survived for 3 years, it's already going. Alright guys, if you want to know more about start a business, corporate, whether S Corp, C Corp, or an LLC, I will make the next content to share that with you.
Alright, if you decide to be self-employed, there is pros and cons. Don't be discouraged. There is pros and cons even you are in 9 to 5 job. So there is risk and reward no matter what route you choose. If you want to be someone looking to build a future for your family and want to start small, then look for my next video. Click somewhere on my link up top. It will have discovered how you can visualize your future and to be successful to achieve your goal. And also, I have a related video talk about choose wisely if you want to be successful. I love you all so much. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully you have plan ready for next year.